Hi everyone, this is Priyanka and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect puris for Pani Puri or Golgappa. It's a very simple recipe with only 3 ingredients. Let's get to it. To make the puris, we need half cup of Rava, Sooji or Semolina, 2 tablespoons of Maida or plain flour, and a pinch of salt. Now we mix all these dry ingredients first before we add in the water. We need 1/4 cup of boiling water, which we will add slowly to the dry ingredients and start kneading the dough. We need to knead the dough for 5 minutes or until it comes together. Now cover it with a damp cloth or a paper towel and keep it aside as we need to rest the dough for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the dough will become a bit stiff, but that's exactly how we want. We need to knead it again for 1 to 2 minutes to make it softer. If your dough is very stiff, you can add 1 tablespoon of hot water to it while kneading. Now we divide the dough into small sized balls depending on the size of puris you want. Now take one piece of dough, rub it between your two palms, make a perfect round shape, and do it similarly for all. We will again cover it with a damp cloth or a paper towel so it doesn't get dry. Also, I have taken a damp kitchen towel to keep the rolled puris. Now take out your roller and a rolling board and start rolling. It has to be thin like this. We need to keep the rolled puris on a damp kitchen towel and cover it with the same so it doesn't get dry. We'll be rolling all the puris first and then we'll start frying. Here I have already started heating the oil. Once the oil is heated, you can add 5 to 6 puris at a time, or depending on how big of your kadai or a vessel is, fry evenly on both the sides until it becomes golden. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Try making the puris yourself and let me know how it turned out for you. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comment box below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, happy cooking and I'll see you in the next video.